So previously the variable was here we have the x variable. So here also we have to take x variable only. Okay. So you can see here 1960 and the date we got given here 14, but it actually getting 16. Yeah, okay. No issues for that because for 0th date, that is 01 Jan 1960, the day is 0. Okay. Mm. So for 2nd Jan 1960, the value is 1. So you can see on Jan 3rd 1960, the value 2. Mm. So like this for 15 days means what should we get?
Three.
So here something happened.
1960.
We got 15 seconds. The conversion was different. Okay. Uh, 15 Jan 1960, day 4. So for 15 days, we get the value as 14 only now. So let's apply the condition for the x date minimum dot.
It's 15 only. 15 seconds.
Yeah. So here we are getting 16th Jan. So here it was different. Why? Because so
Yes.
ISAC 01 DT means it was time right. What are the units for date and time? It was seconds in seconds right.
Yes.
So after um, so it will check 15 as not number of days. It will check 15 as number of seconds.
Okay.
Okay. So for Jan 1st 1960 plus 15 seconds. So it will get the 00 hours, 00 minutes and 15 seconds. So that's why, so here we got 15. So suddenly after seeing this, I got confused. Okay. So ISAC 01 DT works as a date and time. Date and time units are
Second.
so for the Jan 1 1960 plus 15 seconds.
Right.
Okay. Any doubts
Okay.
here? Any doubts here?
No.
We'll move it back. So here can see by using do loops, you have to create a this sequence that is 1, 2, 3 plus 8, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So first we will create 1, 2, 3. Data A. Do A equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3 was created. Next we have to create 8 and 12, 8 and 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8, 12 and 14 to 18. So simply we can have to give a comma 8, comma 12, 12 and 14 to 14 to 28. Next comma 14 to 18. Output and
Then
run. So you can see, do we get the same output as we
yes.
estimated?
Yes.
Yeah. Move with next question. Write a code to get numbers from 1 to 30. This is question 24. So, question 25. Write numbers from 1 to 30.
Yeah.
So simply here if we give
I
from 1 to
1 to 30. 30.
30. So we can create.
Yes.
You can see we got 30 observations here. So here you can see we got a sequence from 1 to 30.
Yes.
So next we are moving with question number 26. Write a code to get all the dates between SRT date and the end date. This is the start date and this is the end date.
100. Yes.
We have to get the dates between these. Okay. Do it possible to get like that? Hello?
Yes.
So do it possible? Data
Start date and
CLS.
class.
So if you want to get the dates between these two, that is 10th February 2002, 22 February 2000. Between this, how many days we have? How many days do we have?
11 days.
Yeah, we have 11 days. So here we have around
7
yeah,
August to 11,
we have
11 days.
11 days. So these are in character, right? So first we can do this by using do loops. So
Convert.
to use
Yes,
do
do
loops, we
loops.
have to convert this from numeric character to numeric. So we
Yes.
have to write SRT1 equal to input of SRT,
Yes, at
date 9 dot
format. Date 9 dot. Yes.
END1 END and let's open this CM2 data set. So you can see now we got this date into a numeric version. So simply we can write like do do any new variable, do suppose do date from SRT1 to end1. So it will create like 14,650 to 14,662, right?
Hmm.
So by using like that we can do date equal to like SRT1 to END1
So,
output, and so you can see we got 39 observations. Okay, let's apply formats.
format.
Format date and dot. You can see we got 11, February, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, right? So
Yes.
our condition was to get between dates. We should not get this 10th February and 22nd February, right? So
Yes.
we can simply do here by giving +1, and here we can do by giving -1. So now you can see start date is 11th February, end date is 22nd February. So the between dates are from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, here started from 7th August to 18th August. So you can see 8th August, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, and we should not get 18th, right? Because stop date 17th. So from here also 22nd to 15th December, between this 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Yes.
do you understand this?
So this +1, the value will take to like adding next value it will take, and end -1 the value will take the previous value.
So it will minus,
This end -1.
it will minus 1 day from here. As we are getting this 22 February also here, previous, right? So if we minus one,
Yes.
minus do 1 day, so it was stopping with 21st February only. So here we have to
Okay, so
increase
understand.
1 day. Here we have to
Yes,
decrease 1 day.
increase. Yes, understand.
So like this,
Yes,
can create.
yes.
So as our output should have only three variables, that is SRT, END, and date. So these three variables we can keep in keep state. Okay. So next we
Okay.
have 27 question. It is write code for to get given output from dataset given. Okay. This is the dataset. So this is the output, actual output is we have to get. So we have to get the output as this is the class. Okay. So as I told to get output like this, so you should not write like a b equal to and give in quotations. We should not do like this. Okay, this is not the correct way. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to take this data set as a set. So now not now what we have to do is we have to add this data to the previous observation, right? So this is as class. We have to add after this. We have to add is after this one is we have to add as. So to adding this is called concatenation, right?
Yes.
So if we want to bring the previous observation to current observation, what we can do in the log,
Can you return
yeah, in the
in the log?
return statement, we can get in data set. If we want to get in log window,
Put.
okay, yeah, you told return, right? So by return we can get in log also, in log only. So if you want to get this bring previous observation to current observation data set, so what should we use? We have a lag function, right? Lag function. It will bring the previous observation to current observation. So
Yes.
here there is no use about lag function. We have to use retain only. So we have to give retain.
Yes.
So for retain statement, we have to use only here. So before that, I will play. So here we have to concatenate, right? Previous observation, current observation. So to do concatenation, we can use function called
Catex.
catex. Here in the estimation notebook, the variable is name. Name equal to catex of. So here we have to attach these keys to after this, right? This and this. So we have to attach this, and we have to attach SAS from after the disease. So here
Yes.
the new word should be attached at the last, not at the first. So at the first
Yes.
we should have the old value, right? So to get like that, we have to give the name variable itself. Here the this variable only we have to give here itself only. Okay. After that we have to give the variable as a. So now we have to use the return statement on name variable. Return name. Okay. Now what happens is, so now first it do actually concatenation, right? So for the first name there was no value. So it was empty. So what is the a value for the first observation? This, right? First observation a
Yes.
value was this. Okay. And it was over in variable name only. The first observation is this. And the second observation is name plus a. And in the name we have value this. The second observation, what is the value of a?
Yes.
Is. So it was attached here. And for third observation, so we have here we have a variable name. So as we given the return statement, so it will just bring previous observation to current observation here. And then the second argument we have variable a. So for third argument, we have, what is the value here?
Sus. Sus.
Sir. So sir, this is for third argument. So when we come to fourth argument, in the catex, first we have name variable. So as we given return statement, so this all will come here. And next we have a variable. So what is the fourth observation value for
No.
a variable
No.
class? So like this, we will get here
Yes.
this value. Character.
Capital.
So you
No.
can see here. So as the first statement, we have used used here the name variable, right? So without creating any variable, when we are giving return statement like this, so this name variable was created as a numeric only. So for that, we have to show this variable as a character. This variable was a character, not a numeric. So we can also give length statement for this. In the length statement, we are giving $50. So you can see whenever I am mentioning the dollar symbol, so this variable name was created as a character, not a numeric, right? So now we can see all the errors was removed. The previous thing got errors, numeric value was converted to character, character to numeric. So now the all issues were vanished. So let's open this B. Here we have 8 observations. It's not came.
Set a small a
No,
because data we have taken small.
no. There is no like that issues for data sets. Data sets and variables,
Okay.
there is no case, no, there is no case sensitive. We can give any catalog.
Okay.
So first here, we have to give if first dot id, then name equal to a, else name equal to static by id. Okay. So for if we are just telling that if first dot id, so we are just copying this to the name variable. So after that we can do concatenation proper. So I think it works. Mm, Just tell me. The class is मला class is So we'll check this last after completing all questions. Then we move to the next question. So, consumes a lot of time. 128. Here we have to transpose the data from horizontal to vertical. So can you tell me the statements
Of transpose.
of transpose data equal to demo 1
By you have to give it.
out equal to demo 2 the where statement
Variable.
they have to give in the by you have to give subject visit. Okay. Do we get the same of list here like here?
Yes. Yes.
Any doubts in that question? No, right?
No.
So for this question given to write output for this. So here we have a data set called AWS, and for this we have created a prop means given no AWS and no print. In the where I have given age, weight, height. So these are the analysis variables, right? So for these
Yes.
three variables, minimum and maximum are created by autoname. Autoname means it will create age min, age max, weight min, weight max, height min, height max in the data set summary. So where is it here? Okay, you can see age min, weight minimum, height minimum, age maximum, weight maximum, height maximum, right? So here, what should we give in the place of NOBS? Mistakenly given NOBS. So we have to give NY, right? We did not have, so you can see here, assuming the symbolic NOBS was misspelled as NOBS. Okay, so here we have to give NY of there is no NOBS option. So any doubt in this properly?
No. No.
So next we have for this also I told to write output for the meditate 28. Question 29. 30. We have two data sets, visit 1 and visit 2. So these two data sets are merging here. The first data set we have given the alias name as A. So for the second data set we have given alias name as B by ID. So here I have given if A. So if A means it is the left join, right?
Digit one.
So totally how many variables do we have?
Four, five. Digit one, five. Digit two also five. 10.
How many variables?
10. Digit one, five, and digit two, five.
3, 4, 5.
But 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Totally we have 7 variables. Okay.
Okay, ID, including ID. Yeah.
V1, V2, V3, V4. So V1, V2 are common.
V5,
V5 and V6. 5 plus 2, 7. So totally we have 7 variables. So as we given here as if A, that is left join, you will get the all observations that present in first data set, and also from the second data set we will get the common observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 1, 2.
So for the 001, we will get the value for 5 and 6. We will get 30 and 40. Right? For 002, we have two observations. In these two observations, we have same value, 50 and 60. So we will get 50 and 60. For 006, here we do not have any 006 subjects, and 007 also do not have. So for the first two, we have 30, 40, 50, 60, and we have 5 observations in the result data set. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.